This is my 2009 Piaggio MP3 400. It's got 1,700 miles on it. Current day is March 5th, 2022. Well, this has been in storage since August of last year. So what I want to show in this video is how well this is going to start up. We have a really nice warm day today at 61 degrees. It was actually only 17 degrees yesterday. I've installed a brand new battery in it, and I'm getting ready to start it up since I stored it last August. I'm just wondering how long it's going to take to start, how well does it start, and once it's started, if it's going to smooth out or if it's going to have kind of a rough idle. Now, I put fuel stabilizer in it. This back garage is not heated for the winter, so it sat out here in negative cold weather all winter long. I'm hoping the gas is stabilized. The brand new battery should help it fire up quickly. We'll see how it goes. Piaggio makes excellent scooters. I'm pretty confident this is going to start right up, run smooth. I won't have to take it to a dealer this spring for any type of service work. So let's see how well it starts. Started a little easier and a little quicker than I thought it would. It's been running, it's up to operating temperature, and the RPMs are nice and smooth. I revved it up a little bit, and seems like it's going to be perfectly fine for this spring and summer riding. Now, if you're going to store these for the winter, I highly suggest you put a battery tender on them or pull the battery out, fuel stabilizer in the gas tank, and hopefully after sitting about 8 months, yours is going to fire right up as well. Piaggio makes great scooters, and as I just showed you, after sitting since August, it fired right up and it's ready to go. Hope you guys found the video helpful, informational. Thanks for watching.